Marzucco's Construction and Coatings is proud to showcase one of our signature projects, the St. Laurent condominium located in Naples, Florida. This project is a complete exterior facade renovation. We have partnered up with Complete General Contracting for this 22-story high-rise condominium. Essentially, our scope of work includes removing all of the exterior coatings and stucco texture on the entire building, along with full-depth stucco repairs. Additionally, we are doing extensive concrete restoration on the slab edges, post-tension pockets, in conjunction with Complete General Contracting, replacing all of the windows and sliding glass doors on the building. We are also replacing all of the screen wall on the building. The exterior stucco facade is getting a 3-coat system that includes a Lambert bonding agent, a brown coat, and a texture coat. Once the stucco has had adequate time to cure, we are installing a Sherwin-Williams exterior latex coating that offers a 10-year warranty with the Duration product. All exterior railings are getting a high-performance recoat system as well. On behalf of Marzucco's Construction and Coatings, I'd like to thank the St. Laurent condominium, all of its owners, the board, the manager, for allowing us the opportunity to work with you. It has truly been our pleasure. I'd also like to thank Consult Engineering, Complete General Contracting, and Express for putting together such a fantastic team and allowing us to be a part of that. Thank you also to all of the Marzucco employees that have worked so hard on this project to deliver a superior finished product, and we look forward to many more projects to come and a lasting business relationship. Thank you.